Good morning, everybody. Today we will discuss revision of chapter 1. So, look over here. As we know well, food is essential to us. Why food is essential? What are the functions of food? Food provides us energy to do work. It promotes our body growth. It also helpful in the building new cells and replace old worn out cells. Tutti frutti cells, old it replace, also helpful to replace old worn out cells. It provides protection against a number of diseases. As we know well, during the corona, to boost up our immune system, which vitamin we use? Vitamin C. Vitamin C. Not only vitamin C, but also we should eat all kind of the vitamins in our regular diet. So, what are the sources of food? There are two sources of the food: plants and animals. Now look, there are a number of dishes we eat, different kind of veg, chili paneer, kulcha, whatever it is, naan, different kind of food material we eat, and all the materials which are used to make a dish. These different materials are known as ingredients. Dal, ingredients, pulses, water, spices, salt. Idli, suji, water, salt, a small amount of the curd also. So these are the different ingredients. As we know well, the vegetarian people, we eat the plants, and plants, different parts of the plant we eat, and these different parts that we eat are known as edibles. Edible part of the plant, we can eat root, radish, carrot, stem, sugarcane, potato, leaves, spinach, cabbage, fruits, mango, cucumber, ladyfinger, flowers, cauliflower, rose, seeds, different kind of cereals. Cereals, anaj, wheat, rice, maize. Now look over here, animal also provide food to us. Which kind of food provided by the animals? Milk, meat, eggs, right? Now look over here, the green plants are known as autotrophs. Why green plants are known as autotrophs? Because they can synthesize their own food by using sunlight. And raw materials, which are the raw materials? Yes, carbon dioxide and water. They can synthesize their own food, so the green plants are known as autotrophs. Green plants are also known as producers. Green plants prepare their own food, as well as they provide food to all other organisms that live on the earth. Right? So these are the producers. On the basis of feeding habits, animals can be divided into three categories. All the animals are consumers. Consumers because they consume food from the other organisms, other plants. All the animals are consumers. right? So the animals can be divided into three categories. Number one, herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. The animals which feed upon the plants only, plants and plant products, known as herbivores. Buffalo, giraffe, goat, sheep, deer. Second one, carnivores. The animals which feed upon flesh of other animals are known as carnivores. The animals which feed upon flesh of other animals are known as carnivores. Cat, lion, tiger, wolf, these are the carnivores. Next one, omnivore. The animals which feed upon plant and plant products as well as animals of flesh of other animals. They eat flesh also. So such kind of the animals are known as, yes, omnivores. Dog, cat, pig, human beings, crow, these are the, yes, these are the omnivores. As we know well, why do we cook food? We cook food, number one, it makes food tasty, delicious. क्या कहते हैं इसको? Mouth watering. Nowadays, in place of the tasty, delicious, we use the term mouth watering. So it makes the food more tasty. Second one, it kills the germs present in the food. Heat, kill the germs. Next one, it makes the food easy to digest. It makes the food easy to digest. Now, food chain. Food chain, you know well, different kind of animals depend upon one another. All the organisms, not only plants or animals, all the organisms which are present on the earth, they dependent upon one another to get their food. And this dependency, this relationship, a kind of relationship in which who eats whom, कौन किसको खाएगा. This dependency, this relationship among the different organisms to get their food, a kind of relationship in which one organism gets food from the another one, is known as, yes, food chain. तभी तो कहते हैं जीव जीवस्य भोजनम. जीव ही जीव का भोजन है, राइट? लाइक द ग्रास eaten by the deer, and deer is eaten by tiger, lion. In a number of the plants and on their leaves which feed insects. Insects are eaten by frog, lizards, and frog and lizards eaten by the snakes. Snake again in course eaten by the crow, peacock, or maybe by the eagle. So this is the food chain. All kind of the food chain, या यो कहे, most of the food chain begins with the plants. Now, how can we avoid to wastage of food? How can we avoid? Food must be prepared only in required quantity. What? Cook the food in required quantity. Second, it must be stored in closed container to protect it from the germs, from the flies, from the insects. Heating prevent food from the spoiling, like we warm the milk. Certain food items can be preserved by just drying in the sun. Food grains we dry in the sun for use long term. Food also can be refrigerated or frozen to avoid growth of the bacteria or attack by the bacteria. So in this way we have finished the revision of this chapter.